New Google Opal AI update is insane. Google just dropped a massive update that's going to change everything. Opal I just expanded to 15 new countries and it builds entire apps without you writing a single line of code, zero coding. You just tell it what you want and boom, app built. Plus, they added insane debugging features and made it way faster. This update is absolutely crazy, and I need to show you what's happening right now because this is going to make a lot of people a lot of money. So, what is Opal? It's from Google Labs. They dropped it in July, but this October expansion is what's making this explode right now. Most people think building apps is hard. You need developers, you need to know code, you need months of work, not anymore. Opal lets you describe what you want in plain English. Then it builds a visual workflow for you. It chains together AI models, it connects tools, it does all the hard stuff automatically. You just tweak it if you need to, and then you share it. That's it. And the crazy part, it's free right now, and now it's available in 16 countries total: Canada, India, Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, Indonesia, Brazil, Singapore, Colombia, El Salvador, Costa Rica, Panama, Honduras, Argentina, Pakistan, and the US. That's huge. Let me tell you what's new in this October update, because this is where things get insane. First, they added advanced debugging. This is massive. You can now run your workflow step by step in the visual editor, or you can test a specific step in the console. Errors show up in real time, right where the problem is. No more guessing, no more wasting hours trying to figure out what broke. You see exactly what went wrong and exactly where. This alone is a game changer. Second, they made it way faster. Before, it could take 5 seconds or more just to create a new app. Now it's almost instant. They rebuilt the core system, made it lightning fast. And here's the crazy part. They added parallel runs. That means if your workflow has multiple steps, they can all run at the same time, not one after another, at the same time. So complex workflows that used to take forever now finish in seconds. This is huge for anyone building serious automation. Third, they kept adding marketing templates, thumbnail generators, content summarizers, quiz builders, all the stuff that normally takes hours to build. And fourth, the AI outputs keep getting better, way smarter, way more polished, less manual, fixes needed. Now, let me break down how this actually works. Opal uses workflow chaining. You're stringing together different AI models and tools. Think of it like building with Lego blocks: Gemini for writing, Imagen for images, Veo for video and audio. You connect them in a sequence. One output feeds into the next input. That's how you build complex apps without code. The way you start is simple. You go to the Opal site, you pick a template, or start from scratch. Let's say you want to build a content summarizer. You type "make me an app" that takes a blog URL and gives me a summary plus key points. Opal takes that, builds a visual workflow, shows you each step. You see it all visually, boxes and arrows, super clear, and you can edit any step. Click on a box, change the prompt, add conditions, connect to different models. You're the director. Opal is just the builder. I want to tell you about something. If you want to scale your business, get more customers, save hundreds of hours with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's on Skool, link in the description. This is where I share everything I'm doing to build my 7-figure agency with AI. You get access to workflows, templates, case studies, real stuff that's making real money. Now, let me show you what you can actually build with this. First up, content creation. You can build apps that generate blog posts, social media content, email sequences, all automated. Second is marketing automation, thumbnail generators, ad copywriters, landing page builders, quiz makers, all the stuff agencies charge thousands for. Third is data processing. Build apps that analyze spreadsheets, extract insights, generate reports. Fourth is prototyping. Build a prototype in Opal, test it, show it to investors or customers, get feedback. Here's what I'm seeing people miss. The real opportunity isn't just building apps for yourself, it's building apps for other people. Small businesses need automation, they need AI tools, but they don't know how to build them. This is where you come in, you learn Opal, you build custom mini apps for clients, you charge for it. This is a brand new service category, and there's almost zero competition right now. But here's the thing you need to know. This isn't perfect yet, it's still experimental. Features can break, things can change, the AI outputs aren't always perfect, graphics can be off, you need to check everything before you ship it to a client. External integrations are limited right now, you can't easily connect to external APIs, it's mostly working with Google's own tools. And there are complexity limits, you can build pretty sophisticated workflows, but there's a ceiling. Opal is for mini apps, simple tools, not full-blown software platforms. But the new debugging features change everything. Before, when something broke, you had to guess. Now you see exactly what's wrong. You can test each step individually, fix it fast, move on. That's huge. And the speed improvements mean you can build and test way faster. That means more apps, more clients, more money. Let me give you some real use cases I've tested. First, I built a blog post outline generator. You input a keyword. Opal searches for top ranking content, analyzes it, generates an outline. Total build time, 20 minutes. Second, I built an email sequence generator for e-commerce. You input product details and target audience. Opal generates a 5 email welcome sequence. Third, I built a social media content calendar tool. You input your niche and posting frequency. Opal generates a month of content ideas. That's something social media managers need constantly. You see where I'm going with this? The opportunities are everywhere. You just need to think about what people need, what problems they have, then build a simple tool that solves it. You don't need to be a genius coder. You just need to understand the problem and know how to use Opal. Here's my process for finding opportunities. First, I look at what services people are paying for on Fiverr or Upwork. Second, I ask myself, can I automate this with AI? Third, I build a quick prototype in Opal, test it. Fourth, I reach out to people who need that service, show them the tool, get feedback. Fifth, I refine it based on feedback, then I sell it. The key is speed, build it fast, test it fast, sell it fast. And with the new debugging features, you can build even faster. Less time fixing bugs, more time building new apps, more time making money. That's the game. Here's what I recommend you do today. Go sign up for Opal. If you're in one of the 16 countries, just try it. Build something simple, pick one use case that interests you. Content creation, marketing, data, whatever. Build a prototype tool for that use case. Show it to 5 people who might need it. Get feedback, refine it, and start selling. Don't overthink this. Just start building. Here's another angle. Use Opal to build lead magnets. Create a free tool that solves a specific problem for your target audience. Put it on your website. Collect emails to access it. Now you have a lead generation machine. For example, if you're targeting real estate agents, build a property description generator, free to use, email required. Now you have a list of real estate agents you can sell your main services to. Let me tell you what I'm most excited about. It's not just the tool itself, it's what this represents. We're entering an era where anyone can build AI-powered applications. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need to understand problems and know how to use these tools. That's democratization of technology, and it's going to create massive opportunities for regular people. And the fact that Google is expanding this fast, adding features this fast, that tells you they're serious about this. They're investing heavily. More countries are coming, more features are coming. Get in now while competition is low. I want you to understand something. Artificial intelligence is not going to take your job, but someone using AI is going to take your job if you don't adapt. The people who learn these tools, who build with them, who create value with them, those people are going to thrive. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and move on. Actually do something with this information. Go to Opal right now. Sign up, build one thing, then show it to someone. That's how you start. And if you want to go deeper, if you want to really scale this, if you want to build a business around AI automation, join my AI Profit Boardroom, link in the description. This is where I share everything, all my workflows, all my templates, all my strategies, real case studies from my 7-figure agency. Inside, you'll learn how to use AI agents to scale your business. You'll get over 1,000 free N8N workflows. You'll get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts specifically for SEO and content. You'll get a full blueprint for generating thousands of leads for free using AI. You'll also get access to a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies showing exactly how much money people are making with this stuff. And if you're just starting out, join my free AI Money Lab, also link in the description. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools, 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You'll get access to free workflows and a complete blueprint for lead generation. It's completely free. I just want to help you succeed with AI. All right, let me wrap this up. Google Opal just got insane with this October update. 15 new countries, advanced debugging that shows you exactly what's wrong and where, major speed improvements with parallel runs. You can build AI-powered apps without coding. The opportunities are massive. The tool is free right now. And if you're in one of the 16 countries, you can start today. Don't wait for perfect. Use what's available now, build now, sell now. Go sign up for Opal, build something today, show it to someone tomorrow. Start making money this week. That's how you win. Not by watching videos, by taking action.